Screw you! Wait, are you still recording or are you recording yourself? Hey, bitch.
Oh my god, your fingers look yellow and green.
Ah. What's that one?
Green.
What's that one?
Yellow.
What's that? Ah. Woo. Wait, oh my god.
How about if you just banged your head on the wall again?
Oh. Like, here, let's do it. Being a fucking idiot, here we go. Alright. Alright. I don't want to hurt myself. Steak pillows on the side of my head. You ready? I'm not. Fucking head. Alright. Ready now? You gotta get it, because I ain't doing this shit again.
Okay.
Oh, that didn't even do shit!
Wow.
Here, let's do it this one. Alright. Now that kinda hurt. Oh, damn! That was my back, not my head. Oh. Now I'm your turn. Hold on, let's do it one more time. Watch me have brain damage. That hurt! I don't know, you can do it. I think my whole head went numb.
That's funny. Oh, well, this is it for today.